The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a tornado warning for East Central Howard County in Arkansas until 7:43 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:43 p.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located 0.3 miles northwest from Nashville, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: deadly tornado and baseball-size hail. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Precautionary preparedness actions: to repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A large and extremely dangerous tornado has been confirmed. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building. If in a mobile home, vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest structure and protect yourself from flying debris.